everybody and welcome to today's video. Today I am gonna show you how you can get a Steam profile background. It is not free, it costs a few cents. It depends on which background you want to buy. So yeah, I think you have money for it. I don't know, of course, but yeah, let's jump right into it. First of all, you need to go on Community Market. From here, you need to scroll down and find Steam. Then go to Show Advanced Options and go down to Profile Backgrounds. Here you can find your backgrounds. They are cheap and expensive. I'm gonna show you the most expensive. This is this one. I'm of course not gonna buy this, but yeah, I'm just gonna show you. Okay, so let's say I'm gonna choose this one as an example. So yeah, I bought it, and now we are gonna go back to my profile and edit profile. Go down to profile background. Gonna click here. I have actually two backgrounds, so this is the normal one, and it says I have two available, so I'm gonna choose this one. Select then go down, save changes, and return to my profile. And yeah, you can see we got the background. So yeah, it costs money, but yeah, thank you guys all for watching, and see you in the next video. Peace.